Well, hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss one of the function of physics, top-down estimation, which is in the tool. You see here, we can get here in the top-down estimation. What does the top-down estimation do? It is used to estimate the labor and non-labor material based on the estimation weight that we provide on the activities and WBS level. If you think that in the WBS level, then 10% of the activities can complete it, then we can put here in the 10% in the first activities, first WBS level, in second level, in WBS level, almost 50% of activities might be required. In the third level, 30% of labor are required for that one. So based on the estimation weight, can provide the budgeted unit for the activities. So first I have opened my P6 program. I will assign the resource here. I will add the resource. I will add Harry. Okay. Based on the time it has given, 8 5 40 unit budgeted unit. I will add here Harry. I will add in here also. Yeah, here and here. So I have added. I'll open my WBS level and I have already uh, from the column. I have already customized my column and I've already had the estimated weight. You need to bring this column from here. I'll just apply it and OK it. In the 1WS level, I feel that 30% of resource are enough for it. So I have created 30 here. And the next, I feel that the most 70% of resource are for this one. So I'll just give it a number of 70%. If you now go to the activities level, overall 100% of resource are used in this both WBS level. So if you go to the activities level, I can feel like that in the A, 40% will be enough. Okay, 40 will be enough. 4 we can write. 4 we can write. And here I'll write 60% are useful for it. And if we go to next, I feel like that 3%. Here 30%. Okay, 30. Okay, 40. And here I can write 30%. Uh, I can see in the activities in the first W1 level, 40% of resources are used for A. So in W1 level, we have given the only the 30% amount 100% budgeted unit. So I'll show you first. Click on the top-down estimation. You can see that 200 units are given currently. I feel like that 200 is not enough. I feel like 350 resources are useful for that one. I will just create a estimated unit of 350, and if I apply it, are you sure you want to apply the unit to the current project? Yes, and it has successfully applied. Okay, let's see. Among 350, among 350 units also, if you see in the WS level, 3% are here, means of 100, among 350, in 350 into 0.3 will be 105 are in WBS level 1, and among 70% are resource budget unit are in 245 here. And among 105 also 45 4% means 40% of resource are used in the A, so 42, and 60% of their resource among 105 is used in the B. In the similarly in the second WBS level also it has been done on it. So it will take the average, it will add it and divide 3 by 10 into 245. So based on this top down estimation, you can find how many budgeted labor unit can be used for the project. Like if you are confident that 30% of resource should be used for the one WBS level, then you can estimate. This process will be very useful to estimate the top down nodes for the project. So it will be helpful if you know the estimation weight or weightage on the each work package, then you can do by this way. I think you enjoy this video. If you want more video like this in the coming series, please comment on the comment box. And if you want more information or you want more information about P6 program or similar video, please share, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.